So I went down, grabbed a new coil, went ahead and cleaned off the bottom paint and a little spot there for the grounds. And we're going to slap this in and see how she goes. I went ahead and just wanted to check the plugs and stuff here. This one don't look too bad. But we'll go ahead and check each one and see what they look like. Got one down, 7 to go. So I'm on the third plug here. Nothing really interesting. I'll find something. This was the coil that had these two wires here were shorted out. And I think it took out the module that's in the truck now, which is an aftermarket unit. So we're going to try switching this out. If this doesn't work, I have another one that's in the Buick